I received this toolbox for kids. It didn't give me an age. I think it's for, I could say I can do it for 3 years and up. Yeah, age 3 plus right here. So that's good. Because first glance, looking at it, very sturdy box. It has all the little tools that anyone can need to go with imagination. Very hard plastic here. It's no harm to kids because it's this little cutting thing. And a little wrench. Let me see. Does this go up? Yeah, it goes up and down. It has a tool stand for hanging the tools up. Gloves. These are so cute. Gloves. Little razor cut thing. So no harm. And screws. Look at that. Got washers and screws on top. Little saw gun. Doesn't need it up. It needs a battery. Looks like it needs a battery right here to make it work. Because it's heavy. The bottom part is heavy, so it has a battery to go into. Tape measure. Tape measure. It pulls out. Yeah, I'm going to go about 4 inches, but it's still cute. And turn the knob to turn it back in. A little, gets close right here. A scraper pen, scraper file here. A little screw cabinet here. But it looks like it has a lot of little handy things for them kids to start his little construction workshop here. And here's his vest. Let's see. A little handy vest. Oh, look at that. It has pockets, all the little tool kits that can go. Tools will go. A little mesh pocket here. This is really cute. Very cute set. I think any kids would love to have this set. Little boys or girls, you know. And hand and hat. Very hard hat here. Very cute. House repair. So I really, oh look, goggles. A little scratch there, but a little scratch there, but other than that, it could be wiped out, looks like. And go ahead. So this is really nice. I think any kid would like this and keep them busy all day long because all these tools look almost real. Hanging out with dad in the garage or mom in the garage, but I recommend this kit for the little kids who would like to have toys for Christmas, or Christmas past, but toys for their birthday to play with other kids. Thank you. Here's the kids' toy tool set. We have a nice, good size toolbox. All of the tools that come with it, they all seem functional and they work. We have a hard hat, glasses, the little tool vest outfit, and we have a working drill if you need to install 2 AA batteries. You have a working tape measure. Our tape measure actually got stuck and it came off, so we just had to take the screws out and wrap it back around, and then it works just fine now. So you can wrap it back up, which is hard to do while holding the camera, but you get the point. So, great things here. Screwdrivers are interchangeable. You can put whichever one you want in each one. So, great little set for a kid.